Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find display settings on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is go to settings. And then over here we should be able to find display and brightness. Here we'll find a bunch of different settings related to the display, like the light or dark mode, the brightness as well as the adaptive brightness, screen color mode, eye comfort and sleep, adaptive tone, settings related to font and the display size. We also have the bright HDR video mode. We can also enable and disable the auto rotation of the screen. We can decide after what time the screen should go off. We also have screen attention, the refresh rate of course, and full screen for apps. In addition to that, if you're looking for more visual changes like the wallpaper and so on and so forth, then you can go to wallpapers and style instead. And here you should be able to also find a bunch of different settings that are related to the visual side of the device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!